Okay, we're looking at a Mori-Seiki MH503, doing 2005, serial number MH500 EK 1075. Right now it's running. It goes up to 15,000 RPM. It is a Cat 50 spindle. You have a full fourth axis. You have Renishaw probe, and you also have tool probe. You see, he was cutting brass. Can we move some of the axes a little bit? Sorry, can we move the axes a little bit? He's moving the B. You got full 360,000. Moving Z axis, nice and quiet. Okay. And your X. All axes are quiet. Now this machine has not only the 2 pallets here, but you also have an 18 pallet shuttle system. You really can't see from here. I'll do a walk around. You can see the panic for the shuttle. And you're tied. Oh, there you go. And you have it tied to a second machine. All right, this is the second machine of the cell, the MH503. Serial number MH500 B1 BI1063. Right now it's running. It also is a 50 taper spindle. This one is a 6,000 RPM. It also has 120 tools. It also does have probing, chip conveyor, full fourth axis. It's a 20-inch pallet. He's moving the Y? No, Z. Z. Z, yep. That's your Y. And the X. All the axes are quiet. Okay. Thank you for watching our video. The machine also does have chip blaster.